What is your position?
I'm the editor-in-chief of ProgrammableWeb. It's a website that is for software developers. When they go to our website, they research a lot of the technologies that they might use in whatever the next app that they're building. For example, you've built some pretty cool mobile applications. You could come to ProgrammableWeb and look around and see what kind of technologies you could include in those applications in a way that might inspire you to build the next cool social justice app. A lot of kids will go to a hackathon like that's been organized for them and then go home and do a few things, and then they'll go back and play computer games. You just took a completely different path here. What inspired you to go from attending a hackathon to building something that's going to benefit a ton of kids just like you?
It was the realization that what you can create through technology can change the world. It can change the game. And what has inspired you to become who you are?
Well, you know, I sometimes like to characterize it as just a series of very random lucky events that got me to where I am. But in reality, I think just a lot of hard work, interest in computer science, and you kind of end up letting your success push you in certain directions. You had some success at a hackathon, it pushed you in a certain direction, and now you find yourself at the nexus of a bunch of things taking place at the same time. You've got Reverend Jesse Jackson here to put some wind in your sails. I mean, all sorts of things happen when you work hard.
So what would you say to a teenager or even a preteen, like 12 years old? What would you tell them? What could they do to become you?
What could they do to become me? They just have to follow their heart. That is the most important thing, is find out what it is that they feel extremely passionate about, just like the way you feel passionate about what you're doing when it comes to social just applications and coding, and follow that, because as long as you're doing something you're super passionate about, people shouldn't aspire to be what I am. They should aspire to be what I believe in, which is just do what you love and do that for the rest of your life, and do it so well that everybody else is going to get behind you and throw wind in your sails, just like Reverend Jackson did to you tonight.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you. It's good seeing you,
man.
Yeah.
Great to see you. We were just repeating that.